Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to download the Metasploitable machine for your ethical hacking lessons. Metasploitable is a vulnerable machine made by Linux to help you learn penetration testing very well. To download Metasploitable, go to their site. The link will be in the description of this or in the first comment. Now click on download. I've already downloaded it on my file, so I don't need to click it again. So after downloading it, make sure you download either the WinRAR or the ZZip so that you can extract it due to you are downloading a zip file. After downloading it, go to your downloads, click on the Metasploitable. As you can see, I downloaded 7zip so that I can use and extract it. So go to 7zip. If you are using a WinRAR, you see a WinRAR instead of 7zip. So go to your 7zip and extract files. Now if you want it to be on your download, you extract to downloads, but this time around I want it to be on my desktop, so I'll export it to my desktop. Then just click on desktop and okay, I need to start extracting. You just have to wait for it to finish extracting. Now, after you're done extracting it, go and open your virtual machine box. By now you have downloaded your virtual machine. If you don't know how to download the virtual machine, I've made a video on how to download virtual machine and also install all the extension packs in my video. So just go to my channel and watch the video. Then click on machine and click on new. Then write the name of the machine, which is Metasploitable. Linux. Then click on next. Just change it to Linux and click on next. Add your base memory. I'm leaving it like this because I'm not actually using it for anything. Then here, creating a virtual hard disk, click on use an existing virtual hard disk. Now click on add. Go to your desktop and go to the extracted file. There you add the Metasploitable virtual disk image file. Then click choose. Then click next and finish. Like that, you have installed your Metasploitable on your Virtualbox. Now click on the settings. Here I'll show you many things that you can change or you don't want to change. First one, your network. Depending on the type of network you want it to have. So I usually use the bridge network and I use Quantum Arterials. That is, I connected it to my laptop's Wi-Fi. But if you want it to use a very different Wi-Fi apart from your laptop, go to your USB, insert the USB in your adapter, then connect it here in the USB and come back to network and choose the adapter. That is it for now. So after that, press OK and start the Metasploitable. Now your Metasploitable is starting up. Now when you are finished and you log in with MSF admin and your password is also MSF admin as listed here. Now since you are using a Virtualbox and you might likely want to install your Kali Linux, now I have to give you a trick. In order to connect the Metasploitable and your Kali Linux and also your Windows to be sharing in the same network, go to your settings, go to your network, then click on host only adapter and connect Virtualbox only adapter. Like this, it will connect to your Windows and also to any other operating system you are going to install in this Virtualbox. That is either Kali or Windows, also Fedora, any other one you have to install. So let's click on MSF admin, and also password is MSF admin. Then, like I want to show you, go to your search and type in command prompt and type in ipconfig. Check the host only adapter, which is this one. Ethernet 3 is your host only adapter, and look at the IP address it gave you. Now go to your Metasploitable and also type in ifconfig to see it. Now look at the host only adapter, which is almost the same thing as this one. So if you want to check if the both of them are connected, all you have to do is just to ping it. Either you ping the Windows to Metasploitable or you ping the Metasploitable to Windows. For example, you have to ping 192.168.56.1. And when it goes, you know that it's connected to the same network. The same here, if you ping it 192.168.56.103 and it goes, you know that both of the two computers are connected, and you can now start your ethical hacking practices. And also, you have to install Linux. So if you want to install Linux, go to my channel. You see a tons of video all about Linux for you. Thank you.